This is Grant Golden with Galati Yacht Sales. We are in Bradenton, Florida right now on a 2023 Regal 29 OBX that is coming to market soon. If you're looking for the perfect starter boat for you and your family, this 2023 Regal 29 OBX is the perfect boat for you. With low hours, extended warranties, and joystick control, this boat will get you to the sandbar with ease. If you're interested in this 2023 Regal 29 OBX, then please feel free to contact me. We'll get you on the boat and schedule a showing.